Hi guys, it's Sterling Spectre here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to mine Ergo coin in 2022. So Ergo coin has been around since 2019 and is well known in the mining community. I would put this coin in the realm of coins like Flux or Conflux, as they have very similar market caps around $150 million. Currently one coin costs around $2.30 and has a steady price rise since the birth of this coin. So if we head over to the Ergo website, we can get more information about this coin. So here it says that Ergo is aiming to be the next generation smart contract platform that ensures the economic freedom of ordinary people. If we scroll down, we can see that Ergo is a fair coin. But what does this mean? Well, normally coins are launched, a lot of supply is given to the developers. This is normally upwards of 20% of the supply. However, Ergo has taken the approach of a 95% public allocation, which means that 95% of the supply can be mined or sold. The other 5% is allocated into the development of the coin. They also aim to have true peer-to-peer transactions and want optional privacy for their users if they choose to remain private in transactions. If we take a look under this, we can see that they have a block reward of 63 Ergo and a circulating supply of 55 million. It also says they have around 5,000 transactions per day. Lastly, the network hash rate is at around 14.6 terahash. So what makes Ergo unique to any other blockchain? Well, it's research-led and real-world focused, it's powerful and safe, it's straightforward and intelligent, and lastly, it's secure and accessible. So obviously there are two ways to get Ergo. The first is to mine it, and that's what we'll be going over in a minute, but you can also buy it. So the biggest exchange to buy it from is KuCoin and Gate.io. Both these exchanges have a good liquidity and volume of the coin, so your orders will be filled when it comes to time to buy or sell. The last point I want to go over which makes Ergo a good coin is its algorithm, which is ASIC resistant, which means only GPUs can mine the coin. This favors us GPU miners because the network can't be taken over by ASICs. So now we've gone over what Ergo is, let's get into how to mine this coin. So the first thing we want to do is get an Ergo wallet address. Now you can get these from any of the wallets they offer on their website, as you can see here, but you can also get an address from an exchange, which is easy for us to sell from there. So today we're going to be using an exchange to get a wallet address. Today I'm going to be using Gate.io. So it's very simple, all you have to do is search for Ergo in the search bar and click on the deposit button. Then wait a few seconds and it will generate a wallet address for you. This is where the Ergo coins will go once you've mined them. Now once you have a wallet address, you need to download a miner for the coin. So there are many options out there. We have Nano Miner, LOL Miner, MB Miner and Team Red Miner. They all work in relatively the same way, but today we're going to be using MB Miner. So if we type MB Miner into Google, the GitHub will show up and you'll want to download the latest version from this GitHub. Now you'll need to let the miner through the firewall, but it's perfectly safe. So once downloaded the miner, you want to unzip the file and it should give you a folder with a lot of batch files, which are pre-set up for different coins. We are looking for the star Ergo file here. We want to right click and edit this file. Now once we're here, the last thing to choose is the mining pool. Mining pool stat shows all the pools as we can see here. You can use any of these, but today we're going to be using 2 miners. So we want to click on the 2 miners thing and it should open up the 2 miners page. This will give us the page which gives us the server name for the 2 miners and the port number. Now all we have to do is set up the miner file. So first thing we want to do is replace the server and the port number. So go to 2 miners and choose whichever server is closest to you. I'm in Europe, so we're going to be copying this one. Now paste this over the server text in the miner file like this. Next we want to go back and find our wallet address and copy this and paste it over the address in the miner like this. Now exit out of the file, click save and it should be ready to mine. To test this, all you have to do is open up the miner and it should confirm a share after a bit. If it doesn't work for any reason, I can help you out on my Discord. The link for that is at the top of the description and I'll try answer all your questions on mining. So if it's confirmed a share, then you can start to overclock and dial it for more hash rate. Normally you want to use a bit more power on Ergo and it should give a higher hash rate. If you want to learn how to overclock properly, then take a look at the video on my channel. So now your miner is set up, you'll want to monitor your progress of your mining. To do this, you'll want to take your wallet address and paste it into the search bar at the top of the 2Miners page. This will take you to your mining dashboard where it displays all the information about your mining. As you can see here, we have the unconfirmed balance and unpaid balance there. So that's just how much you'll get paid and when you reach your mining threshold for payout. Then it shows the total paid and just the information about your hash rate here. Lastly, your daily estimated profit is here, and that changes depending on the price of Ergo at the time. If you want to change your payout threshold, then click on the account settings button. You want to copy your IP of your worker and put it into this box and change the minimum payout here. So let's lastly look at the profitability of this coin. I will admit right now it's not very good to mine as we have just had a crypto crash, which means the best coins to mine are all over the place. Around 5 months ago it was at the top 5 coins, however it has gone down the list since then. So if we head over to whattomine.com, we can select 13090 card and hit calculate. Ergo is sitting at number 9 on the list, which is a profit of $1.15 and a revenue of $1.77. This isn't great, but still better than most cards can make per day. Ergo also has a weird way of halving in the coins program. It's done by way of emissions where the block reward drops by 2.2% every certain amount of blocks found. So it drops instantly by 2.2% when the block is found, as seen on this graph. So after a certain amount of time, the block rewards will become very small. So right now is the best time to start mining this coin, as the rewards are very high right now compared to what they'll be down the road. So I hope you guys consider mining this coin. As mentioned, if you have any problems, join the Discord. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.